Good morning. Chapter State Lines, Exercise 10.1, question number 4. The question is, find a point on the x-axis which is equidistant from the points 7,6 and 3,4. Means,
So we can take the point as x comma 0, then sir we can apply the distance formula.
yes, equidistant means same distance
Yes sir.
from that point, these 2 points 7,6 and 3,4. Okay, so let p x comma 0 on the x-axis point be any point on the x-axis which is equidistant from the points q point is 7,6 and r point is 3,4. Okay, then so first to find pq equal to, use distance formula. P is x comma 0 and 7,6. So x minus 7 whole square, x minus 7 whole square plus 0 minus 6 whole square. 0 minus 6 whole square under root.
Sir is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square under root.
Calculate this first. So x square a minus b whole square formula use. X square.
Sir x square plus 14x plus 49.
Plus 36. Minus 6 whole square 36. This is equal to under root x square minus 14x plus 85. Okay, now PR equal to x minus 3 whole square, distance formula.
Sir x minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square under root. Sir it will be x square minus 6x plus 9.
Plus 4 square 16 equal to x square.
Sir x square minus 6x plus 25.
So since these two are equal, PQ equal to PR, equidistant.
We can equate them and then sir we can square both the sides.
PQ equal to PR. Okay, so PQ equal to x square minus 14x plus 85 equal to x square minus 6x plus 25. Okay, so squaring both sides, then x square minus 14x plus 85 equal to x square minus 6x plus 25. Okay, from both sides x square cancel, equal to minus 14x plus 6x equal to 25 minus 85. So
Sir, it will be minus 8x is equal to minus 60.
minus 60.
Sir, minus minus will get cancelled. Answer x is equal to 60 by 8, which is 15 by 2.
So x equal to 60 by 8 equal to.
Sir, it is equal to 15 by 2. So, sir, the point is 15 by 2, comma 0.
X comma 0 equal to 15 by 2 comma 0. Okay, question is find a point. This is the required point and this is the answer. Okay, okay, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 5. Find the slope of a line find the slope of a line which passes through the origin and the midpoint of the line segment joining the points P 0, minus 4 and B 8, 0. Okay, so find the slope of a line which line passes through the origin means 0, 0, and the midpoint of the line segment joining the points 0, minus 4 and 8, 0. Okay, so first to find the midpoint of these 2 points P and B.
So we can find by the section formula. So the ratio is 1:1.
Yes, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, midpoint. So midpoint of P and B midpoint of P and B is equal to, so x1 plus x2, that is 0 plus 8.
So 0 plus 8 by 2, comma minus 4 plus 0 by 2.
Minus 4 plus 0 by 2, midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So
sir, it will be 4, comma minus 2.
4, comma minus 2 is the midpoint. Okay, now we have to find the slope of a line which passes through the point 0, 0 and this midpoint point 4, comma minus 2. Okay, so slope of the line which passes through the origin means 0, 0 and this midpoint 4, minus 2. Okay, this. Okay, this.
Yes, sir. So the formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1.
Minus 2 minus 0 divided by 4 minus 0 x2 minus x1, okay, equal to minus 2 by 4 equal to minus half. Okay, this is the required
Yes,
slope.
sir.
This is the answer. This is the required slope. Okay, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Next, number 6. Without using the Pythagoras theorem, without using the Pythagoras theorem, show that the points that the points 4, 4, 3, 5 and minus 1, minus 1 are the vertices, of a right angle triangle. Okay, so without using Pythagoras theorem we can use slope. Okay,
Yes, sir.
because right angle triangle means need one angle is 90 degree. So if we prove m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, then it will be right angle triangle by using slope. Okay, so let take this 3 point ABC. Let A 4, 4, B 3, 5 and C minus 1, minus 1. B 3 vertices. B 3 vertices of triangle ABC. Okay. Now first to find slope of AB. Slope of AB equal to 5 minus 4.
So 5 minus 4 by 3 minus 4.
3 minus 4 equal to 1 by minus 1
So it is minus 1.
equal to minus 1. Okay. Now slope of BC.
So it is minus 1 minus 5 by minus 1 minus 3.
5 by minus 1 minus 3 equal to,
So it is minus 6 by minus 4, which is 3 by 2.
okay. Now slope of AC.
So it is 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1.
Slope of AC minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 4 by minus 1 minus 4 equal to
So minus 5 by minus 5, which is 1.
5 equal to 1. Okay. Now you see slope of AB and AC. Product is -1 into 1 -1. So
Yes, sir.
therefore slope of AB into slope of AC equal to -1 into
Yes, sir. So they are perpendicular to each other.
1 equal to -1. Okay, so this shows
So that they are perpendicular to each other.
yes. AB is perpendicular to AC. So AB is perpendicular to AC. Okay. Okay. Thus
Yes, sir.
triangle ABC is right angle. Thus
Yes, sir.
triangle ABC is right angle at angle A. A is 90 degree because AB perpendicular AC. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So right angle at A. This is the question. Are the vertices of a right angle triangle? Yes. Okay, it is proved. It is clear.
Yes, sir.
Any question? Hello.
No, sir.
Okay. Next question number 7. Number 7. Find the slope of the line. Find the slope of the line which makes an angle of 30 degree. Makes an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of y-axis measured anti-clockwise. Okay, so this 30 degree is the slope. Hello,
Yes, sir.
this 30 degree angle is the slope
No, sir.
because this is positive direction of the y-axis and we know slope is with the x-axis. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so slope we have to find. Then you can draw like this way. This x-axis y so this angle is 30 degree. Okay, so what is the angle of this? This angle is positive direction of the x-axis. What is the angle? This angle,
30 degree.
this is 30 and this is 90. Okay, so this angle is, because we know
So 90 degree.
exterior angle equal to sum of two interior Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is 90 plus 30 now. This is 90.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So slope, this is inclination equal to, therefore inclination means angle theta. So inclination equal to 90 plus 30 now,
Yes, sir.
equal to 120 degree. Okay. And slope equal to, so slope equal to what? Slope equal
So
to
tan theta.
tan 120 degree now.
Yes,
Tan,
sir.
so find its value, tan 120, tan 90,
Sir, tan 180 minus 60.
90 plus 30, you can write,
Yes, sir.
minus cot 30 now. Okay. And cot 30,
Yes, sir.
what is cot 30? Minus root 3.
Sir, minus root 3.
Okay. So this is the answer. This is the
Sir,
slope.
can you please explain that how that 120 degree came?
It is given with y-axis 30 degree. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So y-axis angle with y positive direction of the y-axis 30 degree angle. It is given question.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the angle of this? This is the inclination. This is theta actually, with positive direction of the x-axis. Okay. So we know
Yes, sir.
this is the exterior angle of this triangle. Exterior.
Yes, sir.
So we know exterior angle equal to sum of two interior.
Yes, sir.
So 90. This is 90, and this is 30. So 90 plus 30. Okay.
Yes, sir. Clear. Yes, sir.
Clear now?
Yes, sir.
So answer is minus root 3 slope. Okay. Next question number 8.
Sir, just 1 minute, sir. I'm writing this one.
Right.
Sir, written.
Okay. Next question number 8. Find the value of x. Find the value of x for which the points x comma minus 1, x comma minus 1, 2 comma 1 and 4 comma 5. X comma minus 1, 2 comma 1 and 4 comma 5 are collinear. So collinear means
Line, same line.
yes, same line points. So
So,
same
sir,
line,
the slope will be equal.
yes, same line means same slope. Slope will be same.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So take this 3 point ABC. Okay. Let A x comma minus 1, B 2 comma 1 and C 4,5. Okay, this B3 collinear points. B3 points. Now slope of AB equal to y2 minus y1. That means 1 minus 1. Okay, divided by
So divided by 2 minus x.
2 minus x. Okay, so this equal to
Sir, 5 minus 1 by 4 minus 2.
this is 1 plus 1. This is 2 by 2 minus x.
Yes, sir.
And slope of BC equal to 5 minus 1.
Sir, 5 minus 1 by 4 minus 2.
2 equal to 4 by 2. 4 by 2
Sir,
equal
it is equal to 2.
okay. So since they are equal, okay. Now slope of AB equal to slope of BC. So 2 by 2 minus x equal to 2. From both sides
Sir, we can.
to cancel, that is 1 by
Yes,
2
sir.
minus x equal to 1. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, x will be equal to 1.
So cross multiply, 1 equal to 2 minus x. So x equal to 2 minus 1.
Sir, which is equal to 1.
Therefore x equal to 1. Okay. Question is find the value of x. So x equal to 1. This is the answer. Okay. Next.
Yes, sir.
Next, see question number 10. Find the angle between the x-axis. Find the angle.
Sir, question number 9.
9 you can do same type.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Finding slope. Find the angle between the 9 take homework. You can try first.
Okay, sir.
Find the angle between the x-axis and the line joining and the line joining the points 3, minus 1 and 4, minus 2. Okay, so find the angle between the x-axis and the line. So between the x-axis and the line, it is called what?
Sir, slope.
Slope. Yes. So find the slope of the line. Slope of the line equal to
Sir, it is minus 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 3.
minus 1 by 4
Sir, by 4 minus 3.
It is -2 plus 1 by 1 equal to -1
Yes, sir.
equal to -1, and we
Yes,
know
sir.
equal to -1, and we know slope means tan theta.
Yes, sir.
You can write tan theta equal to -1. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so 1 means 45, so tan theta
Sir,
equal
tan
to
theta is equal to minus 45 degree.
minus tan 45, and second quadrant tan is negative,
Yes, sir.
so tan theta equal to tan 180 minus 45. Okay, second quadrant 180 minus,
Yes, sir.
so tan theta equal to 180 minus 45, tan
Sir, 135.
135. Therefore theta equal to
Yes, sir. So theta is equal to 135.
135 degree.
Yes, sir.
So this is the required angle. This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell. All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any question?
No, sir.
Okay, written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So practice these all, and practice all NCERT questions. Example.
Okay, sir.
Example also, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.